It's getting you ready for test number 6. The toughest part of this test, I think a lot of people have difficulty with this, is coming up with a linear equation given a table of values. So here's a table of values that I'm writing here with our x and our y values, and what people tend to look at is they look at the numbers in isolation. But what you want to do is you want to look at the relationship between the two numbers, so the x and y together. So if we just look at the y numbers, they don't really match up. But if we start looking at the relationship between the x and the y, it might start to work. And the first way we want to start is by addition and subtraction. So if we add the x and a y, what do we notice? We're looking for a pattern. We notice that it all equals 3. So to make a math equation, all we have to do is x plus y is equal to 3. All right, so looking at the relationship between the two variables. Sometimes, however, addition doesn't work. So if here's a new set of table of values, and we look in addition, we're getting all different answers, right? 2 plus 6, 3 plus 9, they're different. They don't all equal the same. So another way to look for a relationship is through multiplication, or finding a common factor. And if we look here, we're trying to figure it out something, and it seems like 3 is a common factor. So 0 times 3 gives me 0. 1 times 3 gives me 3, 2 times 3 gives me 6, 3 times 3 gives me 9. So now we have that relationship. We find that we're multiplying the x values by 3 in order to get y. In order to make a math equation, we just write 3x is equal to y. Here is one that you can try on your own. So again, look for the pattern. Does addition work? Does subtraction work? Does multiplication work? Is it a combination of the two? So try this one on your own. Try to see if you can find a pattern. If you're having some difficulty, here is the answer. See if you can go back. My name is Mr. J. My favorite Naruto character is Sasuke, followed closely by Gaara. Good luck on your test.